Hello everyone, you're welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In this new video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can set up the ALATPay solution on your Woocommerce website. Now the first thing is to sign up or get registered on the ALATPay. ALATPay is the new payment solution by Woocommerce. So you need to get onboarded on the platform, register, provide all the necessary documentation, and have your account activated. So once your account has been activated, the next thing would be to integrate the solution with your Woocommerce website. To do that, you need to come to the developer doc right here, and then you'd click on plugin. That's about the fastest way to do it. So just click on Woocommerce and you'll see the plugin. This is the plugin right here. So the next thing would be to download this plugin. I have it downloaded already. So as soon as you click on this button, the plugin gets downloaded to your PC. So once that has been done, the next thing is to proceed to the website that you want to connect this plugin to. Here's the website that we want to connect our ALATPay solution to. Now the next thing we need to do is to come to plugin section and then click on add new plugin. In this case, we are going to upload the plugin and not search from the WordPress repository. I am not sure if the plugin is available on the WordPress repository yet. So we are going to upload the plugin manually since we have downloaded from the site. So just click on upload plugin and then choose file. It takes you to your PC where you have the plugin downloaded. Here is the plugin right here, ALATPay. So I just click on that and then I'll click on open and I'll click on install now. I have the plugin installed on the website already, but that's just how to upload the plugin and have it installed. So we are going to proceed to set up the plugin. The process is pretty simple. What you need to do is come to Woocommerce and then go to settings. Alright, so from the settings interface, you are going to come to the payment tab. You can see general product shipping and then payments. So click on payments. Alright, so on the payment page, you see the available payment method. You can see in the case of this store, we have direct bank transfer activated, and we have ALATPay, which was recently set up for this site, also activated, and then we have FlutterWave as well activated. Now to set up your ALATPay, you can see right there, I need to toggle this on. If it is not already toggled on, probably it's something like this. You need to have it toggled on, showing blue like the rest of these two, and then come to manage. So here is the plugin interface, and this is where we are going to completely set up our ALATPay to work as a payment gateway on our Woocommerce website. So the first thing is to tick enable ALATPay payments. We want to tick that so that the plugin becomes active on the site. Then the second thing, we can leave this as it is. Then the description, you can as well leave this as it is. So what we need primarily is the API key and the business ID. And I'm going to show you where you will get that in a jiffy. Alright, so to get this to get the API key and the business ID, just proceed to your alert dashboard. Alright, so go to your alert dashboard and then come to settings and then click on the business tab. So on the business tab, you should get your API key as well as your business ID, and then all you want to do is to reveal those two codes and come back to your Woocommerce and have it pasted in there, and you'd want to click on save changes. So once that has been done, the plugin becomes live on your site and you can start using it to make payments. So you can set up this solution probably for your clients, just as I've done in this case. If you look at the site here, go to checkout, and on the checkout option, you can see that we now have direct bank transfer as the first payment method, and we have ALATPay as the second payment method, as well as Rave as another payment method. So we have ALATPay installed and activated already, and that's the process to do it, just as I've shown you. I hope you found the video useful. If you do, kindly like and share the video, and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.